Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. I'm going to talk about multiple points in this video. First and the foremost, NEET PG 2022 examination date is on 21st of May. Finally, it got postponed and it got rescheduled. You got plenty of time to fill the application form. Today was the last date. We will talk about how you should proceed with the round 2 choice filling and what are the chances for seat increment, the status for multiple states round 2 and round 1 as of now. So let's start with the state updates. And before that, if you're new to the channel, whether you are going for NEET PG 2021 or preparing for next session 2022, you can keep this channel subscribed because you will get ultimately most updated and the information in very to the point manner. Okay, and you can also call us on 9319-128-677 for our paid for subscribing the paid counseling guidance. The number is available on WhatsApp also. In the video description you can find the Telegram group link which you can join. In the group is of 7,000 plus members, so you can get plenty of information and updates from there as well. So let's cover up the state updates first. Himachal Pradesh state started its registration, is going on, and the fresh registration is available in Himachal Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh also you can do the fresh registration which started as on today. Okay, Rajasthan state started its registration from today, and in Uttar Pradesh you need to pay 2 lakhs of security deposit. In Rajasthan you need to pay 2 lakhs of security deposit. Rajasthan second round counseling will be happening in offline mode, and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, these states haven't completed their category B choice filling and result is still pending, but you can expect it to come soon. And due to that reason only, the choice filling for round 2 all India is delayed. It was supposed to happen on time, but now it's happening from 7th. So once they declare the result, then the choice filling for round 2 all India will start. What are the different choice filling tricks and tips? See, round 1 was a free exit for all India, but round 2 is not so. The rules, if you want to know all the rules, you can search for the video in the video section. I have explained one flow chart that covers all the rules and in very appropriate manner in a flow chart, so you can get all the clearance about the rules from there. Okay, so in all India round 2 there is no free exit. Okay, and in multiple states, for example Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, in these states you had paid security deposit. So if you're doing counseling for both these states, because these are open states, and you're doing the counseling for all India round 2, then you have a risk, you cover a risk to get the security deposit forfeited at one place, either in all India round 2 or through state. So you have to fill your choices with proper calculation. If you get the seat allotted in both of the counseling, then you need to take once, and at the other counseling you will get the security forfeited. So either take if you are sure that you will get in state round, you go with the state round, or you prefer to go with the deemed, then you go with deemed only. You sacrifice one of the counseling in order to save the security deposit. Okay, and we are expecting positive shift, as I mentioned in the previous videos. The expected round 2 cutoff, if you want to find the expected round 2 cutoff, you can refer our videos which is available for deemed all India quota 50%, DNB and NB diploma, all these 4 types of courses. Now let's talk about the seat increment. We are expecting good number of seat increment in DNB and NB diploma. So the seat matrix will be published soon, and we will be able to know how many seats are available, and it will be important to analyze how many seats are available in the states also, so that you can know the possibility and chances to get a seat through state counseling and all India counseling. Okay, and based on that you can calculate how much chance you have to get a seat and how much positive shift you can expect in in government medical colleges and DNB and diploma. Okay, so that's it from my side, and I will keep you posted through all the updates. The counseling is going in a very rapid pace manner, and at the same time you got some time in case you are preparing for the next year as well. So you got some time to plan your preparation, because the exam is now finally rescheduled on 21st of May, and the result will be published on 20th of June. So 1 month of gap between examination and the result, but you have more than 2 months, around 3 months of time before examination, so you can plan your studies as well. At the same time you need to focus on the counseling process as well. In case you got something which is coming under your desired branches, then the journey is over. You don't need to prepare for next year. But somehow you missed the counseling process or didn't do the counseling process in right way, and somebody who is having a similar rank as yours got the seat, and you are not able to get the seat, you will have to repent later that you need to prepare one more again, and for the next year the merit will go high, because the number of candidates who are really going for the next year is almost 1.5 times of the actual number, okay, which used to be. So definitely the merit will bump, and you have to keep like target plus 35 as actual target to get the to reach the target. So what I mean to say, if you scored x marks last year, then you need to score x plus 35 to 40 marks this year to get exact same rank. Okay, so that's it from my side, and if you have any question you can comment us in the comment section, and you can put your views as well. So thanks for watching and have a great day.